Welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable on-screen keyboard on your MacBook Air M4. First, open the Apple menu by clicking the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen. Then go to the System Settings. In System Settings, select Accessibility menu, and here scroll down to the keyboard feature and open this menu. And to enable the accessibility keyboard, you just have to switch this toggle to the right. And now you can use this resizable accessibility keyboard right on your device's screen. Once you're done, just click the X icon, and basically that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.